Hey guys, today, let's learn how to solve voice message problem in WhatsApp. So if you guys are experiencing some problems with your voice messages on the WhatsApp application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to fix this. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how so guys. What we need to do first is to go ahead and basically proceed with launching the WhatsApp application and double checking if we basically still have that issue. Now, if we are still having or experiencing this issue, what we need to do is to double check our WhatsApp permissions. So to do so, I'd like you to go ahead and launch these settings, application, and go on over to the WhatsApp application. Scroll down until you see your WhatsApp applications, and just make sure that you have your microphone permissions set to enabled. That is also gonna solve your problem if you are experiencing some problems with voice messages. And what we can do next as well is to double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi and see if we are connected with a stable internet connection. This could be contributing as to why we are experiencing this issue, and if you are still experiencing some issues with your Wi-Fi, you could go and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Now, the last thing that we could also do to solve this issue is to go ahead and launch the app stores. So doing this, I want you to go ahead and locate the WhatsApp application, and then from here, I'd like you to also double check if you have an update available for the WhatsApp application. So ultimately, fix bugs like this, and also give you the best user experience possible. So if you do have an update available, I would like you guys to proceed with doing that, so that, of course, bugs like this would be fixed. And essentially, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.